What if I told you that you could start earning money online today with no upfront investment and work your way to $3,000 a month faster than you think? Sounds unbelievable, right? But this isn't a scam or a get-rich-quick scheme. This is affiliate marketing, a proven, legitimate way to make money online. Hi, I'm Matthew, the creator of Online Empire Builders. Over the past decade, I've built and scaled multiple online businesses specializing in affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and AI-driven strategies. Along the way, I've learned through trial and error what truly works, and I've had the privilege of consulting with over 230 online entrepreneurs. I've worked with affiliate marketers who have achieved remarkable success, with some scaling their income to between $2 million and $7 million in just 5 years. They didn't start with massive resources, but they followed a clear, actionable plan to get there. And I'm here to share those strategies with you. In this video, I'll explain what affiliate marketing is and guide you through the first step of a proven roadmap to success. By the end, you'll understand how affiliate marketing works, how to choose a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and skills, and how to ensure it's in high demand to attract more people to your affiliate business. In future videos, I'll cover the next steps of this roadmap, guiding you to reach $3,000 a month in just a few months and scale it into life-changing income. Whether you're completely new to online business or have tried and struggled before, this step-by-step guide is tailored to help you succeed. Make sure to watch until the end, because this could be the video that changes your life. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to make money by promoting products or services for other companies. You don't need to create the product, handle customer service, or deal with inventory. Instead, you partner with a company, share a special link that tracks sales made through your promotion, and earn a commission for each sale. For example, let's say you're passionate about fitness and recommend a specific protein powder on your blog or YouTube channel. If someone buys that protein powder through your affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. The best part? You can apply affiliate marketing to nearly any industry, whether it's tech, travel, fashion, or even online tools. Affiliate marketing works because it's a win-win. Companies gain more sales without spending on expensive ads, and affiliate marketers like you get a share of the profits. Plus, it's highly scalable. Your earning potential grows as your audience increases. How to start affiliate marketing? Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is to choose your niche. This is the category or industry you want to focus on based on your personal interests or areas where you have expertise. It could be something you're passionate about, like fashion, video games, sports, or travel. To find the best niche among your interests and skills, research trending or in-demand topics within those areas. Tools like Google Trends can help you identify what people are searching for, so you can pick a niche with high demand. To use Google Trends effectively, start by entering a broad term related to your niche, like fitness or travel. Google Trends will show you how interest in that topic has changed over time, so you can see if it's currently popular or on the rise. Additionally, you can filter by location to see trends in specific regions or countries, helping you target your audience more precisely. You can also compare multiple terms to see which one is more popular. For example, if you compare fitness, travel, and fashion, you might notice that travel consistently outperforms the other two in popularity. This insight can help you focus on a niche with higher demand. When choosing a niche, focus on how you can solve a problem or genuinely help people. Successful affiliate marketers understand that their recommendations should provide value. For example, if your niche is personal finance, you could help young professionals manage their budgets by recommending easy-to-use budgeting apps or credit cards with great rewards. By addressing specific challenges or needs within your niche, you not only build trust with your audience, but also increase the likelihood of them taking action through your affiliate links. Remember, solving a problem creates value, and value drives success in affiliate marketing. Congratulations! You now know how to choose a niche that solves real problems and creates value for your audience. Use this video to identify a niche that aligns with your skills and interests while addressing the needs of your audience. In the next video, we'll dive into the next steps: how to join the right affiliate program or network, and find high-demand, high-commission products to maximize your results. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips to grow your online empire. See you in the next video.